Hi, I'm Tim Norris, Business Development Manager for Autonomy for Raven Industries, and today I want to talk to you about an exciting new technology we have that we're getting ready to release called AutoCart. AutoCart takes an existing tractor and we can make it into an autonomous tractor by adding our technology to it. One of the neat things about AutoCart and what it's designed to do is from the combine operator can actually call the cart and tell the cart to come over, find the combine, match its speed, and go exactly side by side with the combine and unload into it on the go. It's a very exciting technology for us because one of the most difficult things during harvest is finding enough labor. A lot of people are able to increase the capacity of their combine by about 32% if they're able to run a grain cart right beside the combine at all the times. That way the combine never has to stop to unload, and it's always being productive as it's harvesting while it's unloading the grain tank. It doesn't seem like it would really take that much time or save that much time, but by the time you figure you have to drive to a cart or drive to a truck and then you have to unload it, it's several minutes during your hour, and you have to dump several times during the hour. So it's about a 32% savings when you look at it. One of the hardest things about autonomy, for years I thought, ever since AutoSteer came out, it won't be long before tractors are driving themselves. But one of the biggest things and hardest challenges to overcome is being able to perceive the environment around you. And that's one of the neat things about Raven's autonomous solution. Not only do we have a radar on the front of the tractor that's detecting and seeing if there's obstacles there, we also have a perception system, which is a system of 5 cameras that are looking out in front of the tractor, looking in between both sets of tires, and looking behind the tractor to not only detect if there's obstacles there, but to try to figure out what those obstacles are. The radar can tell us there's something there. The cameras, though, use artificial intelligence to tell us what it is seeing. It can detect several different obstacles, from humans to pets to farm animals to combines. And not only can it tell what it's seeing, but it can look at the path that obstacle is taking across the field. So if the path of the tractor and the path of the obstacle are going to intercept, it's going to slow the tractor down and make it come to a stop. Once that's clear, the operator in the combine can go ahead and hit a button, and the tractor can proceed on with its path or mission. So the neat thing that happens when you use AutoCart is, the first thing, you don't have to have a driver, so that relieves the need for help to run that combine in the fall. So what we can do at that point is the operator on an iPad or any type of internet device that's connected to the internet can call for the combine or the tractor to come to the combine. So when the grain cart's getting close to full, you hit sync. The combine then calls the tractor. The tractor will sound the horns, light the lights, and then take off as long as there's no one in front of it. It's going to find where the combine is, come right up alongside the combine, and match its speed exactly so the combine operator can dump the grain into the center of the grain cart. Once we're unloaded, then we'll tell the tractor to go back and sit and wait at a stage point that's predetermined by the combine operator, where he wants that cart to sit and wait for him to be full again. Once he's getting close to having the grain tank full, he hits the sync button. The combine will then again call the tractor. The tractor will look and see where the combine is, come right alongside it, match its speed, and we can dump on the go at that point. Once the grain cart's full, the combine operator hits a button that's a predetermined unload point, tells the tractor to go to the unload point, and the tractor will take the shortest route to the unload point, sit and wait, and then the semi-driver can actually unload the tractor into the semi-truck. Once that semi-truck is loaded, then we can go ahead and put it back in autonomous mode and repeat the whole process where the combine operator has full control of the tractor again. Like I said, we have several different things that we have to add to the tractor. So we add the radar, add the cameras, and then we put all the computer controls inside the cab. We have a few GPS and some things on top of the cab, but relatively looks like a normal tractor, which is one of the nice things. They do a nice job of hiding everything in the cab, putting it behind the seat, so it makes for a nice clean install. Currently, we work with John Deere 8000R series tractors, and in the future we hope to work with several other different models and different brands as well.